Did you know the average millennial has over $30,000 in debt, and most feel like they'll never get out? If that's you, don't click away, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to break free from debt and start building real wealth, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Stay with me until the end, and I promise you'll walk away with actionable steps you can take today to turn your financial life around. Let's face it, most millennials are drowning in debt. Credit card bills, student loans, car payments. It feels like every dollar is already spent before you even get paid, right? But what if I told you that this doesn't have to be your financial future? It all starts with taking control, and I'm here to show you how. By the way, stick around for step 4, because that's the game changer that most people forget about. Step 1. Face your finances. Head on. Okay, first things first. If you want to fix something, you've got to know what's broken. So let's tackle your finances head on. Grab a notebook, an app, or a spreadsheet and list out all of your debts. I'm talking credit card debt, student loans, car payments, everything. Then note the interest rates and minimum payments. Seeing this in front of you might be tough, but trust me, it's empowering. Now you know exactly what you're up against. And keep watching, because in step 3, I'll show you the best strategy to wipe out this debt fast. Step 3. Pay off debt with a proven method. Now that you have your budget, it's time to get aggressive about paying off that debt. There are 2 main strategies: the snowball method and the avalanche method. In the snowball method, you pay off your smallest debts first, which builds momentum as you knock them out. It's great for staying motivated. On the other hand, the avalanche method focuses on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, saving you more money in the long run. Which one should you choose? Well, it depends on your personality. Do you need that quick win, or are you more focused on long-term savings? But here's a secret most people don't know about tackling debt. It's not just about making payments. In step 4, we'll talk about a safety net that will keep you from falling back into debt. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Here's the thing no one tells you. While you're paying off debt, you also need to protect yourself from emergencies. Otherwise, one unexpected expense, like a car repair or a medical bill, can wipe out all your progress. So before you go all in on debt repayment, build a small emergency fund. Start with $1,000 just to cover the basics. Once you've paid off your debts, you can build that up to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. Trust me, having this cushion will make sure you don't have to rely on credit cards when life throws you a curveball. Step 5. Start investing early. All right, we're out of debt, we've got our emergency fund, and now it's time to really start building wealth. And the key to building wealth is investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you're still working on paying off some debt, you can start small. Just a little bit goes a long way with compound interest. Start by contributing to your 401k if you have one, especially if your employer matches contributions. No 401k? No problem. Open a Roth IRA or a regular investment account. The important thing is to start. Remember, you're playing the long game here, and time is your best friend. So there you have it. 5 steps to get out of debt and start building real wealth. It's not an easy journey, but with the right strategies, it's completely doable. The best part? You've already taken the first step by watching this video and educating yourself. You've got this. And remember, financial freedom isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. Thanks for sticking with me today. For more tips, advice, and step-by-step guides to master your money, remember to come back to Wealth Wisdom and More, where we help you build wealth, one wise choice at a time.